Yeah, hello everybody. I'm Rosanna, aka Sister Pacific, long-time member of the Pacific Sisters.
Hello everyone, my name is Jasmine. I am from village of Matautu, Falefā and Malifa, Apia, and I am currently based in Tāmaki South, West Auckland.
What's one word that describes your work?
Maybe memories. I think that's just how I work. Just like drawing from memories and just remembering.
One of my sort of mentors for over the years, George Noku, he always said the role of an artist is to help people remember. So I think memories is a great word. So now, what are some of the highlights and challenges you've come across during the residency?
Because I do work in here. I'm in like the sunroom. So my siblings do come in and they just pop in and pop out, and it's just my younger siblings, which is my little brother, he's 3, and he'll just come and just ask me questions about the tapa and the siapo and why I do it. And then when I answer something, he'll ask more questions, and I'm just sitting there, I'm like, okay, how else do I answer him, all that stuff, which is really nice, because then I'll just tell him stories that my great-grandma has told me, even though he doesn't understand it. But I just hope somewhere in there it's just ingrained in his mind. I think that's the highlight, just having conversations while I'm making. Challenges would be the weather, probably, because I like making outside, and I'm collecting stuff from my mom's garden, which is not much left now because of the weather. But yeah, I think that would be the challenge, just having to wait for flowers to come out and enough of it, so I don't have to take all of it in one time.
Oh, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. You've done well.
Yeah, it's all good.
With the added bonus that you've become a teacher as well.
Babysitter and a teacher.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Tell us about your creative process during the Tautai Fale-Ship residency.
Yeah, my process is very just straightforward. Just I'm about collect some materials and then make some work, and just think about how my relationships affects the way I make and how I use materials. But yeah, and just over the other lockdown, I started experimenting with tapa dyes. So I dyed them with the flowers around my home and just around my neighborhood. And yeah, I guess that's how the process of me working from home started. And
I saw a little bit of what you've done. I was like, oh, I'm the one who needs some language lessons. We'll have to come and hang out with you a bit more or online.